What is going, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Kajimbro Vlog. So for today's vlog, mga Kajimbro, I'm gonna teach you how you can use the leg press machine. Of course, there are three major parts that you just need to know: the bench or the seat where you are sitting, of course, and the bracket where you adjust the seat, the holder or the safety handle, and of course the foot plate or where you place your foot to do the leg press. Okay, so let's go. So the first part that I'm gonna teach you will be the seat or the pads and the bracket under it, so that you can adjust your seat. So most of the leg press mechanism is the same, so you will not get wrong of this. So you just need to pull that lever so that you can adjust the seat on the position that you prefer. Okay, so the second part of the leg press that I'm gonna teach you will be the safety handle. Okay, so sa lahat ng mga beginner, kailangan nyo malaman to. Okay, in order for you to move the foot plate where you place your foot, and in order for you to start leg pressing, you just need to pull the safety handle while your feet supporting the foot plate, then press. Again, the same mechanism of most of all the leg presses, so you're not gonna get wrong of this. So you just need to start pressing. Now if you want to move it back, just push it back like that and it will stop the foot plate of the leg press. So that's how easy it is. So you make sure you know this, because this will literally save your life, mga Kajimbro. So the last part that I'm gonna teach you, mga Kajimbro, is the foot plate and the weight rack, mga Kajimbro. So the foot plate is where you place your foot when you are doing the leg press, and the weight rack, of course, is where you place the weights that you desire to carry when you are leg pressing. So that's how easy it is to use this leg press. Okay, so for some additional tutorial, I'm gonna teach you some basic exercise that you can do on this leg press machine. So in using the leg press machine, it's just a matter of foot placement. So in our first exercise, I'm gonna place both of my feet on the top of the foot plate. So the targeted muscle on this exercise will be your glutes and your hamstring. Again, this will be 10 to 12 repetition, 4 set. That will be depending on you on how much weight that you can lift. Okay, so just be careful while doing this exercise. Now move on the second exercise that I'm doing using the leg press machine is targeting your quads. So as you can see, both of my feet is on the middle of the foot plate, slightly separated. So again, this is 10 to 12 repetition, 4 sets. That's depending on you how you will execute this exercise. Okay, so in our last and final exercise, as you can see, I'm placing both of my feet on wide position. So the targeted muscle here will be your inner thighs. Again, it will be the same thing, 10 to 12 repetition, 4 sets lang, mga Kajimbro. Again, lift the weights that you can carry. Okay, do not be an ego lifter, okay, because this exercise is very dangerous. So that's it for our tutorial. If you learned something on how you can use the leg press machine and how you can do some basic exercise in using the leg press machine, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, Kajimbro Vlog. Again, thank you so much. God bless you all, and peace.